tuloy-tuloy ang ano natin, adventure natin dito sa Batam. Tuloy lang. Okay.
Saan pa?
At least nalinis mo dito yun eh. Oh. Oh. Mr.
Okay, another part of
Indonesia.
okay, another part of Batam. This is on the line.
Batam okay, Batam Trio Camo.
What the price of touring
Ramadan.
this island.
Baliktad na talaga.
Ramadan. Pagka-Ramadan na sila. When will be your Ramadan, sir?
Yes.
It starts this year.
Ramadan ngayon dito sa Indonesia.
All the rains here in Batam.
Damar probinsya.
More population siguro. Masyadong maraming tao.
Okay, medyo malayo-layo na yung narating namin ha.
May naiikot na namin ang buong kapuluan ay buong isla. Buong isla ng yan.
Indonesia.
Batam.
Okay, so titignan natin other side of the window. Ayan.
Right, dito yung Pilipinas.
Ayan.
Pas Batalyon Marian dito yung parang Air Force nila.
Pasmal.
Marine. Kota, parang kampo ng Marine. Ayun. Oo, malayo-layo na itong lakbay namin.
Iniikot po namin how we are touring
Muslim country yung
the
Indonesia.
island of Batam, Indonesia. Ano yung mga kainan parang ang napapansin ko dito sa kanila. Walang masyadong tao. Kaya tahimik.
One bulan sa silat.
Maganda dito sa island.
Ay, nakalam eh.
Nakikita natin.
Parang peaceful lang eh.
Kabuuan.
Peaceful.
Peaceful
Island. Oh, yeah.
Ay, so group of islands. Batam is group of islands. So,
Batam Island.
Batam Island. This is the main island, I think.
Then island and then from Batam the airport is okay. Then domestic go to Jakarta,
I'm going to Jakarta.
Surabaya.
But this is the way going to Jakarta.
Flight is okay.
How many hours, sir, going to Jakarta from Batam to Jakarta?
It's 1 hour to 7
But that land,
Then from Surabaya 2 hours. From Bali 1 2 hours at 30 minutes.
Bali is farther than Jakarta, sir.
Bali can transit Jakarta.
siya po yung driver namin ng Resort. Okay, siya yung driver.
Friendly driver of Batam. Friendly drivers here in Indonesia.
Siya yung driver namin. Ito na yung daan papuntang Jakarta. Pag nandito ka to ang Spatan, by land.
By land to outside.
30 minutes pa airplane.
Parang ano lang.
Tapos patuloy na lang.
Together